Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to insert an image in a web page. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open Notepad and type the basic structure of HTML. After head, title, let's see, my web page. Close the head element and then the body. Close the body tag also and HTML also. Now to insert any image, we have to put IMG src. So src is the attribute to insert image location, which will be inside double quotes. We need to copy paste the location of image from our computer. So to copy the location, we need to right click, click on properties, and then here you can copy paste. Or else there is one more method in Windows 10. You can directly click on copy path and do Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, so let's save the file and check the output. Click here all files and give the name like image and the extension, which is HTML. Let's get back to our desktop and open this in any browser. By default, my default browser is Microsoft Edge. You can open it using Google Chrome or Mozilla. So you can see the image is too big. Right, we need to decrease the height and width so that the image will be smaller. Let's get back to the code and insert height attribute, let's say 500, and width as 450. Save the changes. You can save by using shortcut key Ctrl S or going to file and save. Now refresh. Okay, so our picture is done. You can also edit the border. So our image will get a border, you can see. Now comes the alignment of the image. Okay, so by default you can see the image is left aligned. If you want to put it into right, we can do using the align attribute. Align equals to right. Save it and refresh it. So it comes to right. Okay, now I'm adding some text with the image, like image element is used to insert image into a web page. is an empty element. I just wanted to show the alignment of the text when you are using it with any image. What are the changes that happens with the text? So you can see image is in right position and the text is in top, right? But if you want this text to be in middle or at the bottom, you need to write here as middle. Align equals to middle. It will change the text to the middle position. You can see when you are writing align equals to middle, by default your image will be in left side and your text will be in middle. Okay, so there are two values, that is left and right. Left and right is for image, which will keep your image to left or right position. But there are three values, that is top, middle and bottom. These three values of align attribute will move your text. Let's see, bottom, and there when you will use top, bottom or middle, your image will be left because it is default alignment. And by default the text, if you are not using any align attribute, let's say, so here we have not used any align attribute, right? So that by default the alignment of the text and the image is left and the text is bottom. Okay, also add more image. Let's say one more image of my favorite actor, by the way, Ayushmann. Yeah, I like him. Okay, so let's select one more picture from this. I hope that you know who is he. Copypath. He is Punjabi singer Diljit Dosanjh. Now when you are inserting two images, let's see where the images are going to fit, whether left or right. Same height and width. Okay, so let's see. Both are in left positions. Now if you want to keep them one in right and one in left, so like this you can do. If you want to keep them let's see now what's the alignment of the text and the pictures. So the text is also in the bottom and the pictures are here in left and right positions. If you are putting this in one paragraph, like this, let's save it, then it will come to one after another. And if you will change the alignment to left, then it will come to left side like this. So you can decrease the size, let's say 200, 300 and 250, 300 and 250. So you can see. Okay, hope you liked the video, and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.